Now that you have watched that video, I want you to look at page 99. On page 99, we're going to work on putting our own words in alphabetical order. So first, before we begin, I want you to get out a piece of paper. Any piece of paper you have. It can be a piece of ice cream paper, it can be a piece of scrap paper, whatever you have. And I want you to write your ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I want you to write them in a line across the paper so that you have that to look at when you need to practice putting your words in alphabetical order. All right, now we're going to look at that page 99. And on page 99, the first part, we have the words cat, ant, giraffe, and dog. The first letter of the alphabet is A. Do we have any words that begin with the letter A? Good, ant. All right, do we have any words that begin with the letter B? We don't. All right, what about the letter C? Cat, good. So cat goes on line number 2. Number 3, do we have any words that begin with the letter D? Good, dog. So on line number 3 is going to go the word dog. Number 4, do we have any words that begin with the letter E? We don't. What about F? Nope. What about G? Good. Giraffe. That goes on line number 4. Do you see how I went down my alphabet and I picked the letter and looked for a word that letter? If I didn't have a word that started with that letter, I went on to the next letter. And so on. You go all the way down the alphabet that way, and that's how you put things in alphabetical order. So for the next part, rat, fly, zebra, and bird, you are going to put those in order just like we did on that first part using the first letter, and it's the letter in pink. But if you look at the bottom half of the page, it's going to have us put those words in alphabetical order by the second letter. Does anybody know why on the bottom of the page we're using the second letter instead of the first letter? That's right, because the words all begin with the same first letter. Age, arm, axe, and add all begin with that first letter A. So we can't put them in order by the letter A because they're all the same. So what you are going to do on this part is you are going to pick the word by looking at the second letter, the letter in pink. So let's figure out what the first word is together. All right, so let's go down our alphabet. Do we have any words where the second letter is A? No. What about where the second letter is B? No. C? What about D? Good. Add, the second letter is D. So on line number 1, you are going to put add. Now, I want you to complete the rest of this page on your own. You need to finish that other exercise at the top and the 2 at the bottom. Remember, the 2 at the bottom, you're just doing the exact same thing, except you're looking at the second letter, the letter in pink. So remember, the letter in pink is the letter we're going by to put things in alphabetical order. You may complete page 99 on your own.